Welcome students, let us see a very simple and interesting question from the topic arithmetic progression. Here question is, find the numbers in AP such that their sum is 24 and their product is 440. Correct? So let us see the solution, very simple solution. We can do it very easily. Here we have to find out three numbers. Okay? So whenever three numbers in AP are required, then we must take a minus d, a and a plus d, where d is common difference. Okay, so let a minus d, a and a plus d be three numbers in AP. Correct? And what is the benefit of taking three numbers in this form? We can understand it very easily, and we generally take this format when sum of three numbers is given. Here sum of three numbers is how much? 24. So by question sum is 24. So a minus d plus a plus d, this is equal to 24. You simplify it. Minus d will be cancelled out. So therefore 3a is equal to 24 or a is equal to 8. We got the value of a, which is 8. Now we have to find out the value of d. After getting the value of d, we can calculate easily a minus d and a plus d, and we can get answers very easily. Okay. Now, what is given here? Product of these three numbers is 440. So, by question, we can write product of three numbers means a minus d into a plus d. This is equal to 440. And value of a is already here, isn't it? 8. So, or 8 minus d into 8 plus d, this is equal to 440. Here 8 minus d into 8 plus d, a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. So, this is equal to 64 minus d square. Correct? And this 8 will be transposed to right hand side. So, this is equal to 440 divided by 8. This is equal to 55. Okay. So, therefore, d square is equal to how much? You transpose d square to that side, 55 this side. So, this is 64 minus 55 and this is equal to 9. And therefore, d is equal to how much? Square root of 9, that is 3. So, here we have got the value of a, which is 8. Now, we can find out a minus d, a and a plus d very easily. Therefore, three numbers, a minus d is equal to how much? 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Another number a, which is equal to how much? 8. And next number is a plus d, that is 8 plus 3, this is equal to 11. So, what is the answer? Answer is here, three numbers are 5, 8 and 11. Now, you can check, you can verify the answer, that sum of these three numbers will be how much? 24. 5 plus 8 plus 11 is 24. And product of these three numbers, you can check, this will be equal to 440. So, this is the answer. Fine. Very simple, very interesting. Understood it? Thank you very much for watching this video.